Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best watch wrench is probably one of the most useful tools for watch enthusiasts and DIYers alike. Whether you're looking to replace a watch battery, perform routine maintenance, or even make more complex repairs, this tool is an absolute must-have. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of watch wrench back removers, showing you how to choose the right one and how to use it safely and effectively. Number 5. JOREST Watch Repair Kit. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for watch repair. It features tools for battery replacement, band adjustments, and more. With this kit, you can handle various watch maintenance tasks at home. The kit includes a watch back case opener, case opening pry, and a case back holder. There's also a 5-in-1 screwdriver with multiple bits. These tools make it easy to open watch cases and replace batteries. The watch back wrench is designed for grooved cases, while the pry tool works on pry-open cases. The screwdriver is perfect for screw-fixed cases. The kit is versatile and suitable for many different watch types. The 5-in-1 screwdriver handles multiple tasks, from watch battery screws to watch band screws. The end cap opens to store extra bits. It's a handy tool for various small repairs. The watch case holder secures your watch while you work. It reduces the risk of scratches and sliding. It's suitable for watches up to 50 mm in diameter, providing stability during repairs. The kit comes with a detailed English user manual. The pictures explain the correct usage, preventing damage to your watch. It helps you solve watch problems at home. What we like. This kit is a comprehensive solution for all your watch repair needs. It includes various screwdriver bits, making it versatile for different watch types. The included picture manual ensures easy operation. If you're a DIY enthusiast who enjoys tackling various watch repairs at home, you should consider this kit. What people say. It has what I think is the best back watch wrench around. It adjusts to whatever I need. It has all the necessary tools to replace watch batteries on most watches. Number 4. BYNIIUR Watch Repair Kit. This 155-piece kit is designed for both professionals and general users. It provides everything you need to solve most watch repair problems. It's a comprehensive set for all your watch needs. The set includes a variety of tools, such as a 3-point watch wrench, a band link remover, and spring bar tools. It has everything you need to handle various watch repair tasks. With this kit, you're fully equipped. The kit includes an XL watch wrench that can open watches up to 55 mm. It's perfect for common tasks like opening the back cover and adjusting the band. You will no longer need to pay expensive fees. The metal tools are made of high-quality 304 stainless steel, ensuring durability and ease of use. They are sturdy and portable, making them ideal for any repair job. This ensures the tools will last. The nylon storage bag keeps all the tools organized and is easy to carry. You can take it anywhere to fix your watch. It's a convenient and portable solution for watch repair. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive 155 pieces, ensuring you have the right tool for any watch repair task. The extra-large watch wrench is perfect for oversized watches. Made from durable stainless steel, it guarantees longevity. If you are a professional watchmaker or someone who frequently deals with different watch sizes, this kit is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The case opener and spring bar tools feel solid, not cheap. The zippered case makes it easy to keep all the tools together for when you need to take it with you. Has worked on every single one. Whether it's taking links out, cleaning, maintenance, battery swap, etc. Has worked on my Casios, Rolex Submariner, Invictas, and many more. Storage in it is good and holds everything, lots of products inside, worked very well, durable, and price-friendly. Number 3. JOREST Watch Battery Replacement Tool Kit. This kit is designed for grooved watch backs only. It's perfect for those round watches with notches. This tool will help you open your watch with ease. The included watch holder provides a larger grip area. This allows you to apply more torque and open the watch back cover more comfortably. It also prevents scratches. Anti-slip films are included to enhance friction. They prevent the opener from slipping and protect your watch from scratches. Always use the films for best results. Apply downward force and rotate the opener slowly. This prevents the clamps from slipping and ensures a secure grip. Take your time for the best outcome. The kit includes detailed instructions with pictures and text. They guide you through the correct usage to avoid damaging your watch. It helps you solve watch problems at home. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for grooved watch backs, ensuring a perfect fit. The included watch holder provides a secure grip, preventing scratches. Anti-slip films further protect your watch during operation. If you have watches with grooved backs and want to ensure a safe and scratch-free repair process, this is the kit for you. What people say. This product worked like a charm, 5 minutes, and both watches were running again. It's also durable, well made, and it paid for itself with the first watch. Good kit. Good kit. I swapped out 3 batteries thus far without issue and could open and replace the back of my watches with ease. Number 2. Eventronic 2025 Watch Repair Kit. This Eventronic kit has everything you need to repair your watch. It includes tools for link removal, battery replacement, and strap adjustment. With this kit, you can handle most watch repairs yourself. The kit features a watch case opener, link remover, spring bar tool, and more. These high-quality stainless steel tools are designed to last. It's a complete set for various watch repair tasks. This tool kit is perfect for adjusting straps, replacing batteries, and opening watch covers. It makes watch maintenance easy and fun. You can save money by doing it yourself. The tools are made of sturdy stainless steel, ensuring they are rust-proof and long-lasting. They are built to withstand regular use. You can rely on them for all your watch repair needs. The kit comes with a carrying case to keep all the tools organized and secure. It's easy to take with you. You won't have to worry about losing any parts. This Eventronic watch adjustment tool kit includes an instruction manual and video tutorials. If you need help, they offer one-on-one professional instruction. You'll have all the support you need. What we like. This kit is a 2025 upgrade, offering the latest in watch repair technology. It is widely applicable, covering strap adjustments, battery replacements, and more. The included carrying case makes it easy to transport and store. If you are looking for a versatile and portable kit with the latest features, this one is a great choice. What people say. Cheap and well made, and I love the little jeweler's hammer. It's nicely made, has a hard metal side and softer side so you can hammer it in and you won't scratch the watch or damage it. The block is great too, it holds the watch in place so you can work on it. Watch band tools work great. Number 1. JOREST Watch Battery Replacement Kit. This kit includes a watch back case opener, a spring bar tool, anti-scratch films, and a cleaning cloth. It provides all the essential tools to open your watch and perform basic maintenance tasks. The included anti-scratch films are designed to minimize the risk of scratches during the watch repair process. They act as a protective barrier between the tool and the watch, safeguarding its surface. This tool is specifically designed for watches with a rotating back cover. Please ensure that your watch uses this type of opening mechanism before using the kit. It may not be suitable for other watch designs. The case back opener is adjustable to fit watch cases from 15mm to 60mm. Simply use the adjustment wheel to set the tool to the correct size for your watch's back groove. A detailed user manual with pictures is included to guide you through the process. It will help you avoid damaging your watch and ensure you perform the tasks correctly at home. What we like. This kit includes anti-scratch films to protect your watch during repairs. It's designed for easy operation, making it suitable for beginners. The picture manual provides clear instructions. If you're a beginner looking for a user-friendly kit that prioritizes the safety of your watch, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. Adjustable, works very well. Easy to use. Worked perfectly. This device worked fine for me. Took the back right off my watch with no trouble, and battery was replaced. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.